Good morning, everybody. It's Robin here with Roaming with Rover, and today we've got an unboxing. My Knitcrate box came. So this is part of a monthly subscription, which normally I don't do, but I found a special in January, and I had a coupon code from somebody, and it got me this Knitcrate box for free. I only had to pay shipping. So the way their subscription works, it's a monthly subscription. It comes in this beautiful box, nice significant box, so nothing's going to get damaged. And I made a few notes about the subscription. So like I said, it's a monthly subscription to Knitcrate. It is $30 for the box and then $7.95 shipping. In addition, when you get the subscription, when you order the subscription, let's turn right side up. When you order the subscription, you earn points for everything that you buy there. I can't quite figure out what the points are good for, but apparently they're good for something. Also, when you register, you get points for registering, you get points for going on Instagram, you get points for all that different kind of stuff, putting in your birthday. You also get a discount when you register for the subscription. You get a discount on one mystery bag. Their mystery bags are wonderful, as we saw in the last video. All of their products are very high quality yarn, and so you get really nice stuff in their mystery bags. So instead of paying $39.95 for the mystery bags, it was $31.95 for the mystery bags. And of course I got one, so we'll see that when it comes. They also have a special group of yarn that is 30% off. So there's some definite benefits to joining their club, joining their subscription, if this is something that you think you might be interested in doing. Well, let's open this thing up and see what we got. Of course, you got the beautiful blue box. The box is so pretty, and it was sealed. Of course, I popped the seal off of it. So we're gonna open the end, and it says, see there? It says Knitcrate, unravel your Knitcrate. Hashtag unravel your Knitcrate. Open it up. Whoops. Pretty. Okay. So I guess they're themed every month, and this month's theme is Cabin Retreat. As we welcome both a new month and a new year, let's take some time to recharge by indulging in a little cabin retreat. Bundle up for snowy midday hikes where bright skies bring depth to rich woodsy hues. Ooh, that sounds good. Long winter nights have us reaching for toasty warm handmade scarves and shawls to keep away the chill and start a new project. We embrace the peace and serenity of a cozy cabin in the woods with this month's yarn. Knitcrate. Okay, and then on the back it says crochet, knit, crochet, knit. It looks like scarves. Okay, so there's an option of scarves and socks. No, I'm not doing socks. Double down. Oh, and then there's a code in here, a double down code. So when you go online, you use this code and you get an additional 45% off all eligible items in Members Central that are already discounted by 30%. Wow. And that is active when you log into your active account until March 6th. Wow. It's a pretty good deal. Oh, you don't actually get a pattern in here. You have to download your pattern in a digital booklet. You scan in that little code. I don't like that. No, I like to have a pattern in my hands. I have a lot of patterns online. Download your patterns and the full digital booklet. So that means it's something else I either have to work offline for, which I don't like doing because I can't make notes and all that stuff, and it's really hard for me to print things out. I have to dig my printer out, find a place to plug it in, hook up to the internet, print. I don't like that. So that's a negative. The sales is a positive, but not getting an actual pattern is a negative. I didn't realize that when I signed up for this. That's a big thing for me. So no pattern. It's packed very pretty. Very dark colors. Let's see what, oh, this is nice. This is nice. It's called Slate, so it's very dark. 47% Surrey alpaca, 38% alpaca wool, so if you've got a wool problem, that's an issue, and 15% non-superwash merino wool, DK weight. Wow, this is so pretty, and it's going to be hard for you to see because it's the dark. It's called Slate. Yeah, that's a nice DK though. It's a little, even a heavy for a DK. 231 yards, 100 grams. Wash, hand wash, dry flat. Hand wash, delicate, dry flat. Oh, it's very, very soft. It's not scratchy at all from the wool. This is nice. It's very squishy. It's very squishy. Doesn't have a bad smell. Nice, nice, nice. And you get 2 of those. So 2 of these beautiful skeins for $30. 15 bucks a skein is a pretty good price for these. Pretty good price. Okay, let's see. There's also in here some chapsticky stuff. It says Knitcrate on it. Can you see that? And it's in the plaid. It's very pretty. What do they call that? Buffalo plaid? I cannot see. Let's turn this light on. There we go. Apple cider lip balm. Ooh. Beeswax, olive oil, coconut oil, stevia. That's interesting. And flavor. Oh, it smells good. It smells really good. That is nice. That is very, very nice. I use a lot of lip balm here. The air is so dry and it's so windy all the time. This is good. I like this. It's a pretty nice add-on. Sometimes add-ons and you get in these subscription boxes aren't something that I would really be interested in. There, now you can see that yarn a little bit better. It's so hard with the light around here. Okay, so that's it. Oh, it's Audine Wools Flannel is what it's called. This feels so nice. I'm gonna have to figure out something to make with this for sure. 231 yards, so I've got 460 yards to play with. I hope I can get a scarf out of that. That would be really a nice scarf. You can't even see the design, and that's the problem. See, you can't even see the design of the scarf. That is the problem with these dark yarns, is they're tricky to work with, especially in here with the lighting, and you've got to find something that's just a very simple pattern because you won't be able to see the design at all once you've got it made up. But this feels wonderful. Oh yeah, I can totally see this as a scarf. Okay, so that's it. Cabin retreat for January. And January knit crate. Hold that back up. All pretty. Card back on top. I think the value is absolutely there. Absolutely there. 30 bucks for 2 skeins of really nice yarn. And then all of the benefits you get with it, the extra discounts and things, is really nice. Knitcrate Box. Would I continue it? Likely not, because I've got so many yarns already, and I've got enough projects to last me 2 years or more. And I really don't like that they do not include the pattern. I don't want to have to be chasing things down online and printing it out and keeping track of it on my phone or anything like that. So that's a definite negative for me. So I don't know, likely I've got one more coming, because the way when I signed up, it was right at the end of the month and it was already getting ready to send out the next one. So we'll see what we get next month. Don't love that dark color. It's really hard to work with, but the yarn itself is delightful. So I have to think about that one. Thank you so much. Tell me what you think. Did you like that yarn? Is this something that you might consider doing? Please like this video. Please subscribe and leave some kind of comment, even if it's just a little smiley face. I will respond to you. Thank you ever so much. Bye-bye.